Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to learn 30 sea animals in English. Let's start learning. Shark. This is a shark. It is big and dangerous. Whale. This is a whale. It is the largest animal in the sea. Dolphin. This is a dolphin. It is very smart and friendly. Octopus. This is an octopus. It has 8 arms. Jellyfish. This is a jellyfish. It is soft and can sting. Starfish. This is a starfish. It looks like a star. Crab. This is a crab. It walks sideways. Lobster. This is a lobster. It has big claws. Sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. It has a hard shell. Seahorse. This is a seahorse. It looks like a small horse. Squid. This is a squid. It can swim very fast. Clownfish. This is a clownfish. It is small and colorful. Stingray. This is a stingray. It has a flat body. Eel. This is an eel. It looks like a snake. Seal. This is a seal. It loves swimming in cold water. Walrus. This is a walrus. It has long tusks. Sea lion. This is a sea lion. It can swim and walk on land. Blue whale. This is the biggest animal on Earth. Hammerhead shark. This is a hammerhead shark. It has a unique head shape. Coral. This is coral. It lives in the ocean and forms reefs. Oyster. This is an oyster. It can make pearls. Mussel. This is a mussel. It has a hard shell. Sea urchin. This is a sea urchin. It has sharp spines. Barnacle. This is a barnacle. It sticks to rocks and ships. Swordfish. This is a swordfish. It has a long, sharp nose. Pufferfish. This is a pufferfish. It can puff up its body. Anglerfish. This is an anglerfish. It has a light on its head. Manta ray. This is a manta ray. It has wide, flat fins. Codfish. This is a codfish. It is commonly eaten. Tuna fish. This is a tuna fish. It swims very fast.